If you can't afford the price of this course, there's a link right beneath this video to apply for financial aid. It's totally easy. You just put in your name, your email address, and then give me a little bit of a description of your situation. So your situation might be that, hey, you're a single parent who's working a minimum wage job, and you absolutely have zero funds, but you need to advance your skill set. Great, I totally want to help. Just put that in the description and send it to me, and then I'll review it, and we'll get you discounted or free access to the course. You should know that there is always a cost associated for us when we stream a video or stream a course to people. So that cost rate is about $10, and that's just to stream the video to you. So if you could afford a nominal price like $10, put that into your note, like whatever price you could afford. Like if it's, I can't afford anything, let me know that. If you could afford like, $50, let me know that, like if you're willing to pay that, or 10 bucks to just cover the bandwidth costs, let me know that. So put that in the description and let me know, because that certainly helps us be able to offer this type of a service to other individuals, because we need to cover the costs of running this business. So by paying full price, you could know that you're helping others. That helps empower us and enable us to offer discounted and free access to others. And if you can't pay full price, at least try to pay that bandwidth cost for $10. And if that's even too much for you, maybe you live in a part of the world where $10 is a month's wage, then just let us know that and we'll get you free access to the course. So if you need financial aid, fill out that form, and we'll review it and get back to you and let you know, give you discounted or free access. And let us know what price you can't afford in that form when you fill it out. Last thing I want to add is we named our platform Greater Commons because it's for the greater common good. And to wax philosophical for a moment, it's like there are many wonderful benefits about capitalism, but it's a crying shame and a travesty when people who want to forward their life and take a step to advance their skills aren't able to do so because of a lack of financial resources. I really think that a civilization, a society, should help anybody who wants to forward their life and improve their life. They should help them. However, and getting education is, to me, the most powerful way to do that. So we really stand for that. We really believe in that. That's why we call our platform Greater Commons. It's for the greater common good. And we absolutely want to help you. All you got to do is fill out that form, click that link, fill it out, and we'll get you into this class. All right, so we're looking forward to seeing you in class. If you can't afford to pay the full price, if you can afford to pay the full price, please pay the full price, because that helps us offer discounted and free access to others. But if you can't afford it, fill out that form and we'll get you into the class. Either way, we look forward to seeing you in class.